Hey yo, what's going on? Viewers out there across the world. My name is Tyler and welcome to the most informed, up-to-date, and at times controversial channel in the crypto space, Chico Crypto. Cryptocurrency, baby, it's my passion, and I'm sure most of you still watching even after this brutal bear market, it's one of your passions too. But with the significant drop in prices after a parabolic bull run, the Fudsters and haters are infiltrating all communication channels like Twitter and Reddit, calling crypto a Ponzi scheme, echo chamber, coins are junk, worthless. This Twitter post even calls a token with the most active users on its product a Ponzi scheme, basic attention token. Finally, hack.com, a crypto online news resource, put out this article, 10 reasons Bitcoin will go to zero, a pessimist view. It's obvious the hate is out in full force, but in Chico's personal opinion, we have hit or are very, very close to the bottom. Taking a look at the 14 stages of investor emotions through market cycles, we have already went through the good emotions like optimism, excitement, thrill, and euphoria. We all felt those in late 2017. And we have went through the tougher emotions on the way down: anxiety, denial, fear, desperation, panic. I personally think the dump from 6,000 was the panic stage. Have we passed capitulation and despondency, or are we in the middle of that right now? Personally, it doesn't matter because we are close to the point of maximum financial opportunity, and another rise will happen. I like to compare this to the last parabolic bull run and subsequent crash. I would say capitulation was around the $400 mark in November of 2014. Think of accumulating Bitcoin at that price. Still an amazing buy even though the price did go lower. But timing exact bottoms is one tough cookie. So the typical cost averaging holder and accumulator should not be worrying about buying the bottom if they are in it for the long term. Another chart I like to compare this to is the market phases chart. Accumulation followed by a rise in prices. A test to see if the price is clear to go higher, then a mark down, and accumulation again. From November 2014 to early 2017, that was indeed a good accumulation zone, followed by a massive bull run. Then down we went, and now we are in accumulation zone again. We may see another dip, but that isn't going to matter in a few years, and now is the time to be focusing on accumulation of these scarce assets. Now that I got you all fired up, let me tell you why those Fudsters calling crypto a Ponzi are completely and utterly wrong. Let me tell you my top 10 reasons why Bitcoin and crypto have a very, very bright future. Number 1, the Bitcoin ETF not getting passed was bad news. Bad news should push the price down, right? Well, not when we are close to the bottom, like I just was saying. Even worse news, it was delayed, which means they are most likely going to add some rule changes, potentially being cash backed and settled, so manipulation is easy. Still, didn't push the price down. Number 2, Fidelity Investments announced in October of last year they're opening their own cryptocurrency trading desk to institutional investors through a subsidiary called Fidelity Digital Asset Services. Fidelity serves over 27 million customers, and this was the first time a Wall Street firm will be offering trading and custody services for crypto. The new service is expected to launch this year. By the way, Fidelity has been mining cryptocurrency since 2015. So you're telling me Fidelity is in on the Ponzi? Number 3, Etoro, the social investment network, which is a multi-asset brokerage company and has over 10 million open accounts at the end of 2018. Etoro launched a cryptocurrency wallet and exchange in November of last year, which now includes 14 total cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Ripple, Dash, Litecoin, Ethereum Classic, Cardano, IOTA, Stellar, EOS, Neo, Binance Coin, and their most recent addition, Zcash. They currently have fiat deposits for most European countries and Japan, with US trading coming very soon for all states. Interesting, another big player. Number 4, Steve Wozniak, tech pioneer and the co-founder of Apple, announced in October of last year he is getting his hands into cryptocurrency and blockchain. He has co-founded once again Equi Global, a venture capital fund built using blockchain technology. Now, this is big, viewers. This is the first time since Apple that he has agreed to join a company. The fund will focus on non-institutional investors in tech companies, with only 20% of it set aside for non-tech companies like real estate. Number 5, and this has been highlighted before but needs highlighted again. In September of 2017, JP Morgan executive Jamie Dimon called Bitcoin a fraud and claimed he would fire any employee who traded the digital currency for being stupid. This was during the China FUD of 2017, in which prices took a big hit, and JP Morgan and Jamie added fuel to the dump. Yet, JP Morgan bought Bitcoin Exchange Traded Notes, or ETNs, a popular investment vehicle for Bitcoin which tracks the price against the US dollar and euro. And looky here, JP Morgan was one of the top players that bought the most, besides another big elite bank, Morgan Stanley. Number 6, another big elite bank, Goldman Sachs, is getting involved with cryptocurrency. Now, the user-friendly crypto exchange Circle made a re-emergence in 2017 and got $140 million in venture capital funding from investors. Investors include Baidu, Excel Partners, Briar Capital, and others. But the first name, of course, is Goldman Sachs. Circle also ended up buying the popular cryptocurrency exchange Poloniex later in the year. Now, is Goldman Sachs investing in companies fully supporting a scam? Number 7, even though I don't like this guy and think he is a total globalist, George Soros. The hedge fund titan is getting his hands into cryptocurrency. In April of last year, the Soros Fund Management received approval to begin trading cryptocurrencies. Adam Fisher, head of macro investing, is the one who received the approval. But no details are known of what they got their hands into. Most likely Bitcoin. Or Ripple. Number 8 and 9, the MLB and NFL are getting into cryptocurrencies. The MLB launched their own crypto collectible game based on the Ethereum blockchain and the ERC 721 standard, called Crypto Baseball. It launched in the summer of last year and has facilitated more than 300,000 blockchain transactions, and some collectible baseball players went for 25 Ethereum each. Also, the NFL bought a stake in the blockchain startup called Sportcast to help their players license products on their decentralized platform. Initially, this will allow NFL players to provide their own commentary during live sporting events, creating unique, one-of-a-kind content for their users and fans to enjoy. And finally, number 10, with the most recent news, NASDAQ, the second largest exchange in the world, has made their largest investment in a crypto startup to date. They participated in Series B funding for the Startups-Symbiont. The blockchain-powered startup produces smart contract platforms for institutional applications. And by the way, a couple years back, NASDAQ also invested in Chain.com, a blockchain developer platform for the enterprise market. I guess all these big companies and globally recognized brands are falling for the Ponzi scheme that is cryptocurrency. We should all bail out now so these already rich fuckers can buy up our coins for cheap. Chico says, hell no, we won't go. My heels are dug in for the long haul and the crypto revolution is just beginning. Cheers, viewers. I'll see you next time.